A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are fit and fine. Children, today I am going to start a new chapter. Chapter number 10, Internet, a useful tool. In this chapter, we will learn about the Internet, important terms just like ISP, WW, web browser, web pages, etc. Accessing a web page and searching information using search engine. So let us start today's class. The first topic of today's class is Internet. Before we explain Internet, let us quick summary of history of Internet. ARPANET, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, a network set up by the US Department of Defense in the year 1969, laid the foundation of the Internet. Means in the 1969, United States of America's Defense Department established a network called ARPANET. The full form of ARPANET is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. Its main motive was to develop some technology which can connect computers at the different location for better communication during the wartime. Initially, they connected 4 computers, one in California and 3 in Utah. Later, they allowed universities and research organizations to use this network, due to which the network started growing, and today it is present in its modern shape called Internet. Right? So this is the brief history about the Internet. Internet was Internet started was 1969, and the first network is known as ARPANET. Right? Internet, the full form of Internet is International Network. Right? The full form of Internet is International Network. It is a computer network made up of millions of networks worldwide. Right? It is a computer network made up of millions of networks worldwide. Right? Means it is a network of interconnected computer networks spread across the world. It is also called network of networks, as it is made up of various computer networks connected together. Right? In short, you can say Internet is a computer network made up of millions of networks worldwide. Right? So what is a network? When two or more computers are connected to one another is formed network. Right? When two or more computers are connected to one another, then it form a network. Right? I hope you understand. I repeat once again. Internet is a interconnected computer network. Right? Next topic is uses of Internet. The use of Internet has grown tremendously over the past few years because of the various services that can be accessed through the Internet. It has become an important part of our day-to-day life. There is some uses of the Internet. You can get information on any topic. With the help of the Internet, you can search, you can find information about any topic, right? Just like politics, technology, sports, entertainment, space, etc. Right? You can find out, you can search any information. You can find out any information with the help of the Internet. You can chat with people and send and receive emails. Using the Internet, you can communicate with the people, right? And you can also send and receive emails through the internet, right? You can exchange electronic mail with friends and relatives accounts on the internet, right? Next is you can buy products on the internet. Nowadays you can buy products on the internet and it is called e-commerce, right? Next is you can listen to music, movies and play music on the internet. Using the internet you can listen music, or you can watch the movies and play music on the internet. You can book tickets and pay bills through the internet, right? Nowadays you can, everything is going online. You can book ticket, or you can book tickets just like a railway ticket, flight ticket, movies ticket, and you can also pay bills through the internet. So these are the some uses of internet. I hope you understand. Next topic of today's class is important terms. There are some important terms which you should familiar about these terms. Let's see. The first term is ISP. Next is www, web browser, web page, hyperlinks, website, and URL. So these are the important terms on the internet. Let's see these terms one by one. ISP. The full form of ISP is Internet Service Provider. The full form of ISP is Internet Service Provider. What is ISP? ISP is a company that provides internet access to the user, known as ISP, right? A company that provides internet access to the users is known as ISP, right? When you send or receive the information on the internet, it first reaches the ISP, right? I repeat once again, ISP is the company that provides connectivity to the users, right? For example, Airtel, BSNL, Jio, Vodafone, etc. are the internet service provider. We are using nowadays. We are using Airtel, BSNL, Jio, Vodafone, etc. for the internet. This company is known as ISP, internet service provider, right? Because these companies provided internet to the user. I hope you understand. ISP is a company that provides internet to the users. Next is www. The full form of www is World Wide Web. What is www? It is a collection of interconnected pages that contain text, pictures, audios, and videos, etc. Right? What is www? www is a collection of interconnected pages. Interconnected pages means pages which is connect with each other. You can move from one page to next page. You can move from one page to you can move first page to second page to third page, and third page to again second page to first page. So these are the interconnected pages. So www is a interconnected pages that contain text, pictures, audios, and videos. These pages are connected using links and can be accessed through the internet, right? It is also known as W3, right? Hope you understand. I repeat once again. www is a collection of interconnected web pages. It is a system of internet servers that support hypertext access several internet protocols on a single interface. Right? Next is web browser. What is web browser? It is a software that lets you access the pages on the World Wide Web, right? A software that lets you access the pages on the World Wide Web is known as web browser. What is a web browser? Web browser is a software through which you can access the information, access the internet. With the help of the web browser, you can access the facility of internet, right? For example, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, etc. are the web browser. If there is no web browser installed in your system, then you cannot access the web browser. Access the internet, right? So web browser is a software through which you can access the internet. Next is web page. What is a web page? The page that make up the World Wide Web are known as web pages, right? Or you can also define web page is a document on the web, right? The page that make up the World Wide Web. And I have already told you what is the World Wide Web. World Wide Web is a collection of interconnected pages. So that pages is known as web page, right? Once again, a web page is a document on the internet. A single page on the when you open any website. So the page which display on the screen is known as web, right? It is created using a language called HTML. Web page created using a language called HTML, right? Web pages is created a language called HTML. If you want to create a web page, then you create that page in HTML language. The full form of HTML is a hypertext markup language. You will learn about HTML in the higher class, right? So I repeat once again, web browser is a software through which you can access the internet, and a web page is a document on the web. Next topic is visiting one web page to the page is known as surfing the web or navigating the web. If you are visiting one page to the other page, that means you are surfing the web. When you are moving from one page to another page on the web, it means that you are surfing the web or you are navigating the web, right? I hope you. Next topic is hyperlink. What is hyperlink? A web page may contain link to other page or to another place in the same page. These links are known as hyperlink. A web page may contain links to other page or to another place in the same web page. These links are known as hyperlinks. Means a link which is used to move to another page or other part of the same page is known as hyperlink, right? A link which is used to jump to a new web page or a different part of the same page is known as hyperlink, right? A link which is used to jump to a new web page or different part of the same web page is known as hyperlink, right? A hyperlink may be text or a pictures. Hyperlink may be text or pictures or words or a phrase, anything, right? So we can say that a word, phrase, pictures that you can click on to jump to a new document or a new part within the current document, right? The mouse pointer generally takes a shape of a hand when it is moved over a hyperlink. Means when you move your mouse pointer over the link, then the mouse shape will be changed and it will change into a shape of a hand, right? Means when you place your mouse pointer on the link, then the shape of the mouse will be changed, right? Mouse pointer will change into a shape of a hand, right? Now I hope you understand. I repeat once again, a link that is used to jump to a new web page or a different part of the same web page is known as link, is known as hyperlink, right? Next is website. What is a website? A collection of related web pages linked to one another is known as website, right? A website is a collection of web pages maintained by a college, university, government agencies, company, or individual, right? Collection of related web page means all the pages are related all the pages are related to the same topics, right? A collection of the related web page is known as website, right? The first page of a website is called the home page. When you open any website, the first page is known as home page. Home page is just like a cover page of a book, right? Home page is just like cover of a book. Next topic is URL. The full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator, right? The full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. It is just like a house number in the city. With the help of the house number, you can identify different houses easily, right? How URL is just like a house number of the city. With the help of the house number, you can easily identify the house. Similarly, every website or web page has a unique address, and this unique address is known as web page. You can define the address of a web page or a website is known as URL. Right? Simply, URL is the address of the website to which you can identify different websites. For example, www.gmail.com, www.cartoonnetwork.com, www.funbrain.com, etc. Right? Next topic is modem. The full form of modem is modulator demodulator. The full form of modem is modulator demodulator. It is used to connect telephone line with the computer. Modem is used to connect computer to the telephone line. It is used to send and receive data between a computer and a telephone line. Right? Modem is used to connect computer to the telephone line, and when computer is connected to the telephone line, then you can send and receive data using the telephone line, right? So this is the enough for today's class. I hope you understand, right?